Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 Wi-Fi icon not showing in taskbar. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all right click, go to your task manager. After that scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Select the Windows Explorer, click on restart. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type of services, open services. After doing this step, find out a WLAN auto config. Now here is a WLAN auto config. Open it and make sure that it's selected a automatic. Click on apply and OK button and restart the services. After doing this step, find out a network list services. Now here is a network list services. Open it and make sure that it's selected automatic. Click and stop. Click on apply. OK and restart the services. After doing this step, find out a Windows Connection Manager. Now here is a Windows Connection Manager. Open it and make sure that it's selected automatic, apply and OK button and restart the services. After completing that, select the Windows Connection Now Configure Registrar. Open it and make sure to select the automatic, click on apply and OK button. After that, restart the services. After completing that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a ncpa.cpl and open control panel items. After doing this, just select the Wi-Fi, right click, first of all disable it, and once again right click and enable it. Now it's connected. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.